Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can withdraw money from Coinbase wallet to bank account. Before I start this video, let me tell you that this video will be helpful for those who have already sold their cryptocurrencies and they just want to withdraw the money from Coinbase wallet to their bank account. Moving forward, Coinbase web version. Now there are two versions of Coinbase. One is the web version and the other one is the mobile version. So I'm going to tell you the steps of both of these versions. So let's just start with the web version first. Step 1, sign into your Coinbase account. The first thing that you need to do is sign into your Coinbase account, because most of the time, due to security and privacy, you will be logged out. And in case you're logged out, you don't need to panic. You just need to log in again, sign in again. And step 2, what you need to do after that is you have to select My Assets in the navigation bar. My Asset will be a full tab on the left side, and from there you have to select My Assets. And once when you select My Assets, the step 3 that you need to do is you have to select the 3 dots that will be next to your local currency, and then you have to choose Cash Out. The 3 dots will be presented next to your local currency, the currency of your country, or the currency in which you're dealing or handling all these like financial matters. So you have to click Cash Out. Moving forward, then you have to enter the amount of currency you want to cash out, obviously in the currency that you are dealing with. You have to click that, and then you have to enter the amount that you want to cash out. You can also select to cash out all your balance, and it will be included in the cash out. The next thing you have to do is you have to select your bank account and you have to choose Continue. The final step is that you have to select Continue and choose Cash Out Now. Like, you have to select the button of Cash Out Now, and all that money will be sent to your respective bank account. Now moving forward, I'm going to tell you how you can do it on the mobile app version. The first thing that you need to do is you have to download the mobile app of Coinbase. You can either download it from iOS or the Android Play Store. Once when you do it, the next thing that you need to do is you have to select My Asset in the navigation bar. It's the same as the web version. My Asset will be shown on the navigation bar. You have to select it, and then you have to click Cash Out, which has an icon like this, a blue icon. The next thing that you need to do is you have to enter the amount of currency that you want to cash out. And then again, you have to select Max to include your full balance. And then you have to select your bank account and choose Preview Cash Out. Once when you do it, you will be almost there. And the final thing you have to do is you have to click Cash Out Now. So that was it for today. It was a very simple video. I hope you found it informative. Do subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.